Okay guys, so today what you're going to be required to do is you're going to be plotting a different type of non-linear relationship. This non-linear relationship is called an exponential. So in real life, exponentials can be used to show the growth of bacteria. It also was used in modeling through COVID. So you may have seen some of the graphs that were used in COVID to show the number of deaths and the number of people that are infected with the virus. So that's what we're going to be looking at today. So they're a little bit similar looking to a parabola, except there's a couple of differences which we'll point out towards the end. Okay, so we're pretty good at the moment at using a table of values once we have our values filled in. So we're remembering that 1, 2 here, that's equivalent to an ordered point of 1, 2, like that. So that's popping up on our graph at 1, 2 here. What is going to be a little bit different today when we're doing our exponential graphs is, if you can see, our rule is changing from y equals 2 to the power of x. So as we enter into our calculator for our table of values, so I'm going to make a little table of values here to show you what they did. Go 0, 1, 2, 3. So all they're doing is they're going, our rule is y is equal to 2 to the power of x. So when x is 0, the first y value is going to be equal to 2 to the power of 0. So this button here is going to be really important for you to be able to use today. That's going to get you into your exponentials. So that's 2 to the power of 0, 1. Okay, and I can keep on using this arrow key to just change that power to 2 to the power of 1, which is 2. And this is how they're entering the values into their calculator for their table of values and then plotting. So we've had a lot of practice plotting, so the plotting part shouldn't be too difficult for you guys. However, it's just making sure that we're using the exponential button. Now, as I said, it looks similar to a parabola when we're just looking at this part, or all of our positive values of x here. So that looks like it could have mirrored on the opposite side. However, if we went and did our negative values, and we'll have a little bit of a look here, if we have negative values of -1, -2, let's see what happens. So I'm going to change 2 to the power of 3 to 2 to the negative 1. And that makes y is equal to 0.5, or a half. Right, so that would be, if that's 1 on my y-axis, if I get to -1, which is here, that would be about here. And if I go and enter 2 to the negative 2, that's 0.25, or a quarter. So again, that would be closer to your x-axis. So we can see it's not mirrored like a parabola is. In the negative values of x, it gets closer and closer to my x-axis, but when we get past 0 and we're in our positive values of x, it shoots off and keeps on growing and growing super quick. So that's exponentials. So you'll now be able to complete page 19 and page 20. Okay, the next video that we're going to look at is going to be plotting on circles, so I'll see you shortly.